We'll guide you through how to remap keyboard keys in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do. So what you could do is, for example, go and make Control, go to X. We'll guide you through how that can be done. Of course, yours can be different. That's just an example there. Make sure it's full guide so you know what to do step by step, and let's dive straight into this. So we are going to need an app in order to do this, but don't worry, we'll guide you through getting it. So what you need to do is go and press search at the bottom of your computer, and we're going to get it from the Microsoft Store. This is essentially the app store for your computer. So type in store and open up Microsoft Store. Now go to the top and you can press search. The app we're going to get is called Power Toys. So go and type that in like so. Here it is, Microsoft Power Toys. It's free. Go and click on it, and what you can do is you can go and press install. Press install and now go and wait for the process to complete. It shouldn't take too long. As you can see, it's 300 megabytes. It's now installing. Go and wait. When it's finished, you'll know as it'll go and say open. So you can click open here, or you can go and close out of the store, press search, and then you can go and type it in. In this case, it actually automatically opened, which is great. Now you want to come over to the left and you want to go and scroll down. We need to go and find the option for Keyboard Manager. As you can see, here it is. Go and click on it. Now, as you can see here, we need to go and open up settings, and we can go and then navigate to the Keyboard Manager menu and select either remap a key or remap a shortcut. So press open settings. Here we are. Now what you need to do is go and find the option remap a key. Go and switch on enable keyboard manager, and now we can either go and remap a key. It says remap keys to other keys, shortcuts, or text snippets. You can also go and remap a shortcut as well. So you can remap shortcuts to other shortcut keys or text snippets for all specific applications. But in this case, we're going to be going and using remap a key, and we can go and click there. We'll go and get this pop up. Now we can go and add a key remapping. So click that there. Now you want to go and press select. You want to go and press the key. You want to go and remap. I said I'm going to do control. So it's now got control left. We can press OK. And now we can go and choose the key you want to go and send it to. You can go and choose it from this list here, or you can go and press select, press the key. I want to do X, as you can see. Then I'll go and press OK, and that's it. You can then go and add more as well. And if you want to delete them, you can go and press delete over to the right. Now what I'll do here is just go and lock this in by pressing OK. And we'll press continue anyway. Now, as you can see, it's now here. If I now go and open up somewhere I can type, I'll go and press control. And as you can see, it's now putting X there. It's that simple. You can try it for yourself. As I said, you can always come back here and you can make further changes, press remap a key, and you'll be brought here. So that's it. In this case, I'll delete this for now, press OK, and that's it now done. If you found this useful and want to see more useful guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful tech how-tos. There are already loads on the channel you can check out as well. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I look forward to catch you again later. Goodbye for now. Thank you for watching.